Meet the hybrid RV, a breakdown of the different types and their advantages when it comes to RV camping. There's a wide range of options available to suit different preferences and needs. One popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts is the hybrid RV. Combining the best features of a traditional travel trailer and a tent camper, hybrid RVs offer a unique camping experience that blends the comforts of an RV with the open-air feel of tent camping. In this article, we'll break down the different types of hybrid RVs and explore their advantages, helping you make an informed decision for your next camping adventure. 1. Expandable hybrid RVs, also known as expandable travel trailers or pop-up hybrids. This type of hybrid RV features fold-out sleeping areas that expand to provide additional space. The expandable sections usually fold down for easy towing and storage, but can be expanded on site to create spacious sleeping quarters. Expandable hybrids are lightweight, making them suitable for towing with a variety of vehicles. They offer the convenience of compact travel and easy setup, along with the versatility of larger sleeping and living areas. Advantages: compact and lightweight design for easy towing and maneuverability. Fold-out sleeping areas provide ample sleeping space while maintaining a compact footprint during travel. Cost-effective compared to larger RVs, with lower initial purchase price and reduced fuel consumption. Provides a balance between the comfort of an RV and the open-air feel of tent camping. Versatile layout options with various floor plans and sleeping arrangements. 2. Telescoping hybrid RVs. Telescoping hybrid RVs, also known as telescopic travel trailers or high-low trailers, feature a unique design with telescoping roofs. These RVs have hard walls and roofs when traveling but can be extended vertically to increase headroom and living space when parked. The telescoping mechanism allows for easy setup and takedown, providing a comfortable camping experience while maintaining a compact and aerodynamic profile during travel. Advantages: compact and aerodynamic design for improved fuel efficiency and ease of towing. Telescoping roofs offer increased headroom and living space when parked. Hard walls provide better insulation and protection from the elements compared to tent-style hybrids. Easy setup and takedown process, making them ideal for quick getaways and frequent travelers. Various floor plans and configurations available to suit different camping needs. 3. Hybrid motorhomes. Hybrid motorhomes combine the features of a traditional motorhome and a tent camper. These RVs typically feature a hard-sided motorhome body with a pop-up sleeping area. The pop-up section provides additional sleeping space, while the motorhome body offers all the amenities and conveniences of a fully equipped RV. Hybrid motorhomes are an excellent option for those seeking a more integrated camping experience with the flexibility to enjoy the outdoors. Advantages: offers the comfort and amenities of a motorhome with the added sleeping space of a pop-up camper. Suitable for longer trips or full-time RV living, providing ample living and storage space. Enhanced maneuverability compared to larger motorhomes, making them easier to drive and park. Pop-up section allows for better ventilation and connection with the outdoor environment. Provides a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living spaces. 4. Expandable toy haulers. Expandable toy haulers are a specialized type of hybrid RV designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want to bring along their recreational toys, such as motorcycles, ATVs, or bicycles. These RVs feature fold-down ramps at the rear that double as a storage area for your outdoor equipment. The expandable sleeping areas provide comfortable accommodation, while the rear storage space allows you to bring your favorite toys along for the adventure. Advantages: versatile design that allows for both comfortable camping and convenient transportation of outdoor equipment. Ample storage space at the rear for storing recreational toys, bicycles, or camping gear. Flexibility to convert the rear storage area into additional living space when not carrying toys. Various floor plans and configurations available to accommodate different sleeping and storage needs. Ideal for adventure enthusiasts who enjoy both camping and outdoor activities. Hybrid RVs offer a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and a connection to the great outdoors. Whether you choose an expandable hybrid, a telescoping hybrid, a hybrid motorhome, or an expandable toy hauler. Each type has its unique advantages to enhance your camping experience. Consider your camping preferences, the number of people traveling with you, and the types of activities you enjoy when selecting the right hybrid RV for your adventures. With the versatility and flexibility of a hybrid RV, you can create lasting memories as you explore the open road and embrace the beauty of the outdoors.